The 4 in 4012 is how many times bigger than the 4 in 6834? Well, the 4 in the first number is 4,000, and the 4 in the second number is 4. So I need to know how many times bigger. Well, 4 times 1 is 4, so then I need 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 4 times 1,000 is 4,000. And I know it's a little dark on the edge, but the answer there is C. Number 2. In which of the following pairs of numbers is the value of the 5 in the first number 100 times the value of the 5 in the second number? So I need to find the first number that's 100 times bigger. So for A, that 5 is 500. And the second one, that 5 is 5. And that would be 100, because I've got the 2 zeros. So let me just double check. In the second one, the 5 is, or for letter B, the 5, in the first number, the 5 is 50. And in the second one, it'd be 500. Well, I don't need to multiply 500 times anything. It would actually be the fraction. So that one can't be right. In letter C, the first 5 is a 5. Well, that's not going to be 100 times anything. So it can't be that one. And for letter D, that 5 is in the thousands place. And then in the second number, it's in the hundreds place. So if I have 1, 2 zeros, that would leave me with 1 left, so that's only 10 times. So my answer is A, because it is 100 times. For number 3, the 2 in 2,807 is how many times bigger than the 2 in 8,462? Well, the 2 here is 2,000. So that's going to equal, and the 2 here is just 2. 2 times what? So 2 times 2 is, or 2 times 1 is 2. And then I have my 3 zeros. So it's 1,000 times bigger. Number 4. Which number has a 6 that represents a value 10 times greater than the value of the 6 in this number, 16,523. The 6 in this number is a 6,000. So to do 10 times greater than that, then multiply that by 10. Well, 6 times 1 is 6, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So I need to find a 6 that's worth 60,000. Here that's 1,000. Here that's 600. Here that's 60. Here that is 60,000, so my answer is D. Number 5, the 4 in 4,129 is how many times bigger than the 4 in 5,437? So this 4 is worth 4,000, and this 4 is 400. So 400 times what is 4,000? Well, 4 times 1 is 4, and then I have 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here, so I'm left with 1 more 0. So 400 times 10 is 4,000. And number 6, choose a number pair that has digits of 8 that differ in place by a factor of 100. So for the first one, I have 800 and 800. Well, those are the same, so they don't differ in place at all. The second one, I have 8,000 and 800. And that differs by 10. The third one, I have 800 and 8,000. And again, that differs by 10. Then my last one, I have 80,000 and 800. And that differs, if I cross off my 2 zeros, I still have 2 zeros. So that differs by 100. So my answer must be D. And my 10s I can cross off. So that is our week 1, day 2 review.